look who's here, former Labor Secretary nominee. He's terrific. He's Andy Puzder. So, Andy, you heard all of that. You know, the question out there is this like a triple whammy for not just consumers, but Bidenomics. How does it help consumers and credit card borrowers and their cost of living to raise their rates to stop inflation? They're going to be hit with higher rates, inflation, and now possible more taxes coming down from the Biden White House?
Well, he's doing it. Look, Powell's going to do everything he possibly can to get the economy to slow. And he's working against the Biden administration, which is doing everything it possibly can to get the economy to grow. You look at the Inflation Reduction Act, it's actually the Inflation Increasing Act. He's doing everything he can. He's spending all of this money on these green energy projects. You see the Atlanta Fed is projecting GDP growth to come in at 5.8%. That worries Chairman Powell because he thinks the short-term decrease we've had in the rate of inflation's still going up, but the rate of inflation is lower, and he's concerned that it's going to shoot up with all of this economic growth. His position is reasonable.
Okay, reasonable. You know what? Let's get your reaction to this. Now CNN is even saying President Biden does own a bad economy. Watch this.
Your state is facing a tough economic reality right now, and you have been candid about it very recently about what your state is facing, telling the Washington Post there has been no growth, also saying that there's no excuse, we're falling behind, we have to make a choice that we actually want to win.
That's right.
You owned it.
Yes.
Why isn't Joe Biden owning it more? Because, for better or worse, an economy under a president they own, for better or worse.
Yeah, so why isn't Biden, Biden, of course, he's not going to own it. He's on the campaign trail. But you know what? Andy, look at this. I want to show you this because you're such a smart guy. You track these things. Rising costs of living are hitting the Democrat voter base. The Democrats are really worried about a red flag for Biden. The Biden's margin among black voters in 2020 was smaller than any other Democrat nominee over the past 2 decades. And now Quinnipiac Emerson, the economist YouGov, said that since then, Biden's support is sliding with black voters, going down double digits since 2020. Black voters see what's going on with this economy.
Yeah, and there'll be more black voters voting for Republicans this time around, too, I predict. Look, we've seen the credit card debt is now over $1 trillion in the United States. We've got over 50% of Americans are unable to make the payments monthly, so they're rolling over the debt in an environment where interest rates on credit cards are up around 20%. So that hits normal, everyday, average Americans, whether they're black, white, red, or yellow. It hits everybody. Yeah. And then you've got the savings. Savings were at $5.7 trillion back in March of 2021 when Biden handed out all that money under the American Rescue Plan. We're now down to about $800 billion. So people have spent about $5 trillion of their savings.
That's amazing.
This is very bad for Americans.
But for stock market, you look at the stock market. Ken Fisher says we're at the first stages of another bull market. That two-year yield is popping above 5%. The 10-year yield is around 4.25. It could go higher. Vanguard is saying value stocks have not been this cheap since before the pandemic. They're talking financial, industrial, healthcare companies. Value stocks could again break out like they did in 2000 and 2020. So you see what's going on here between what's going on in the market and what people are feeling at their kitchen tables. Final word, Andy.
Yeah, the people that sit around their kitchen table that are middle or lower income families really don't have a lot invested in the stock market. So as the stock market goes up with economic growth, they're really getting in hard with inflation. Inflation is a regressive tax. It hurts you more the less you have. The stock market is helping people that are wealthier. This is Biden's economy. He owns it. It's a disaster for most Americans, and I hope and pray it will have an impact in November of 2024. We're going to be stuck with this economy for a long time.
Andy Puzder, you're terrific. We love having you on the show. Have a good weekend. Thanks for helping us out.